Hey there, gearheads! In this video, we're diving into the world of Duramax engines and discussing the benefits of installing a lift pump. So, let's get started. As you may already know, all Duramax engines made between 2001 and 2016 don't have a factory-installed lift pump. The stock fuel system, featuring CP3 and CP4 Bosch injection pumps, is usually enough for a stock performance engine. However, if you plan on upgrading your truck's performance, this is where a lift pump comes into play. With more horsepower, the fuel demand increases, and your existing injection pump might not be able to keep up. So, let's talk about the benefits of installing a lift pump on your Duramax engine. Consistent fuel flow. A lift pump ensures a steady supply of high-pressure fuel to your engine, so you can experience the full power of your performance upgrades. Improved fuel delivery. With a lift pump, the fuel flow rate increases, allowing your engine to receive the right amount of fuel at the right time. Reduced fuel starvation. A lift pump helps prevent engine fuel starvation, which can lead to poor performance or even engine damage. Enhanced filtration. Some lift pumps come with integrated filtration systems, offering added protection for your fuel system components and injectors. Prolonged injector life. By supplying a consistent flow of clean, high-pressure fuel, a lift pump can help extend the lifespan of your injectors. Now that you know the benefits of installing a lift pump on your Duramax engine, you can make an informed decision on whether or not it's right for your specific needs. Keep in mind, if you plan on adding horsepower or making performance upgrades, a lift pump is a crucial component to ensure optimal engine performance. That's it for today's episode, Gearheads. Don't forget to subscribe, and keep revving those engines.